Here's 10 things you need to know about diastasis recti. Diastasis recti is a gap between the muscles at the front of your stomach. It's part of the reason you may still look pregnant when you're not, or why you're struggling to shift the baby belly. Okay, are you ready for the science bit? Diastasis recti is the widening of the gap between the two sides of the rectus abdominis muscle. That's the vertical six-pack muscle. The gap occurs at the linea alba. This is the midline collagen structures of connective tissue down the front of your abdomen, and it's caused by excessive or uncontained intra-abdominal pressure. Also known as the gap, DR, diastasis, divarication of the recti, DRA, or rectus divarication. Also frequently called mummy tummy, mum tum, baby bulge, baby belly, pooch. Always normal, common, and no need to panic. Here's 10 things you need to know. Number 1, pretty much every woman has a diastasis during late and post-pregnancy, and it may simply close up afterwards, but it won't always go back by itself. Diastasis recti is common in the later stages of pregnancy and especially in second or subsequent pregnancies. In many cases, it will narrow in the weeks following birth, but many of us need some targeted exercise to help this process along.